Welcome back to my channel, Layla Fashion. Today what we're going to be doing is layering different CDR pantyhose. Yay! It's going to be a very sparkly look, shimmery look, because also my dress is very shimmery and it makes me feel like a 70s like dancing queen. Like, you know the song Dancing Queen by ABBA? It's been playing in my head ever since I put the dress on. So right now I am wearing a pair of CDRs that are a 10 den in the shade of natural. They do not have a reinforced toe, and they are, you know, just like they're very thin. They have the shimmer look. So at base, like, they look great with this dress already, I think. And here's more of an up close of my dress. It's shimmery. It's a beautiful blush pink. Whoop, my bra is poking out. Oops. It's a beautiful blush pink with some shimmer in it. I got it at a thrift store. I love thrifting. And again, I have these like really shimmery, lovely 10 den pantyhose. And now we are going to layer. I know a lot of you love a good layer. And yeah, so these ones are a lighter tone. They're a bit of a more like peach color. So I'm interested to see how the two colors blend together and what effect that makes, because this is also, I believe this is like a 15 den and also a shimmery wet look. So I'm interested to see. Beautiful comfy band, which I think CDRs are a really great pantyhose to layer. Often their den is quite low, and yeah, they have a nice waistband that is very, it's not very bulky. Like, I'm not a big fan of bulky waistbands. Excuse me. I'm not, I had a little burp, whoops. I'm not a big fan of really thick bands. So I think layering with a thick band pantyhose would be it. I have done it and it's not really the most comfortable. So I think CDR is a great brand to layer. You could tell me in the comments which brands you like to layer. Do you like to mix and match them? And if you have any layering suggestions, please let me know. Okay, and this one has a bit of a reinforced toe, as I'm seeing right now. A very, very, very light cotton gusset, which I think is also really great for layering. Because honestly, all that, like, if there's a lot of bulk, it would just be very uncomfortable in that region. Okay. Can't see in the mirror what I look like, but I'm just going to assume that this looks good. Thing is the dress is pretty form-fitting, like in the area here. So it's just kind of, you can kind of see the bands. If they're not fully rolled up properly, they kind of bulk up in the dress. But needless to say, this dress is really pretty. Yay! Yeah, I do feel super pretty. So these are so sheer that even with the layering of the pantyhose, you can still see my painted toenails. The reinforced toe is there, and I think that there's a lot of extra sheen. To be honest, I think I liked the look without the layering. Like, I just liked the first CDR I think I like the color better. It's also a little bit lighter, and maybe it just shined. It was more shiny. But nonetheless, this is still a very good look. And my legs feel so soft. So soft. Like, if only my real legs felt like this. My real legs are soft, but like not that soft. I'm going to pair them with these cute white heels. Yeah, I do feel like a dancing queen. Like, dun dun dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think for me, unlayered is what I would go with. However, this layered look still really hits the mark. You can tell me in the comments though whether you liked the layered look or whether you liked just the base one that I had on. You can tell me if you like my dress. I hope you do. I love it. And you can just tell me what sort of things you'd like to see in me do, and I'll try and create the videos for you. I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching my video. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I have a Patreon that has some more content on it. And yeah, just have a great day. Mwah.